Hey guys, first off, it's back! I can finally record in front of my wall again, you know, so unless I feel like standing up, you won't get the desk background, but now I got options. I want to put some shelves up here so that if I film standing up in front of the wall, there's something to look at instead of just blue. I'm currently just sitting on my bed, so if you hear, oh, it doesn't squeak. Okay, if I start sweating, I'm sorry. The fan is off, the windows are closed, and I'm on my bed and my bed is hot, you know. It's been absorbing heat all day. So anyways, I'm gonna try to sit like kind of like this so that it's perfectly, am I in focus? I think I'm in focus now. Anyways, so let me brighten it a little bit. This is as bright as it can go. Okay, so sorry that I look like a glazed donut. I'm gonna sweat, but whatever. We'll deal with it, you know. I was gonna grab like a little fan, but you know, whatever. And I think we're losing daylight, so I'm gonna make this quick. So, as you can tell by the title of this video, this is a story time. And it is ironically about my bed. So, if you're my friend, I've probably complained to you already, you know. That's just how it is. So, the whole thing is, the bed that I'm sitting on right now, I used to have it like all the way back in May, I think it was May or early June of 2018. I had my bed. Everything was great. Well, not everything was great. My brother, Winston, yeah, hi. He, one day, I don't even remember why, he came and he kind of like threw himself on my bed and he broke my box spring. And so, when he broke my box spring, when he broke it in the spot that I always sit, which is this spot right here. I always sat there, so the mattress started sinking in the hole of the box spring, and then we were gonna ruin the box spring was already ruined, and then we were gonna ruin the bed, and they were relatively new beds. We got them in like 2016, I don't know. Anyway, the thing was that my brother had decided to take a year off of college, and so he didn't have a place to put his old bed. And so my dad said, hey, how about this? You get, my brother decided to take the summer off. And so my dad said, hey, look, you just, you sleep on your brother's bed until he goes back to college in August. And it's only 2 months, and then in August when he moves back, we'll buy you a new box spring. And then I'm like, alright, whatever I have to do to get my bed back. But it's cool, alright, I'll sleep on it. And so his bed is like a twin-sized IKEA bed. Anyways, thing is, the first couple nights, yeah, it was nice. The mattress was soft, but I think it was too soft. And it became uncomfortable very quickly. But I'm still thinking like, hey, it's just 2 months. You know, you can deal with it, Wade. Like, suck it up. It's just 2 months, then you're gonna get your comfortable bed back. I was wrong. My brother then decided to take the whole year off instead of just summer. And so I was stuck with the bed. Now, normally I wouldn't complain, but my back started hurting because I wasn't getting enough support and my sleep quality was very poor. And if I have very bad sleep quality in school, I can't concentrate and blah, 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 blah. I want to graduate with all A's, you know? So if I want to do that, I have to get good sleep. But that bed was not providing that for me. And I complained to Dad, and I complained, and I complained, but he wasn't doing anything. And so, I was upset. I was sad. My back was sad. Sister sad. And so, I just kept, like, dealing with it. And then I asked, hey, could I get a bed for Christmas? Like, it's just a box spring. It's not really that expensive. Please, I really, like, my back really hurts. It's like, no, okay. And so, it wasn't until, that at this point I started complaining to Mom. Like, I just told her, like, hey, my back hurts. And it's like, okay. Like, she kind of dismissed it a little bit. And so, then, once, it was like the second day of back to school in January, I was like literally sleeping in the car because I couldn't sleep the night before because my back hurt so much. And it wasn't until then that I feel personally that my parents took me seriously and my complaining, like, oh wow, his back really does hurt if he's sleeping in the car, like, you know. Then she said, let me talk to your dad. She talked to him, and then, you know, whatever, she said it, and then it didn't happen again. And then my mom and I started going on walks, and in one walk I complained, like, hey, look, like, this is getting to the point where it's intolerable. I'm taking a Tylenol before bed, not a Tylenol PM, like a regular ass Tylenol, so I can go to sleep because it hurts, you know. And so she's like, okay, I'll talk to him. And then she talked to him. Then this was like a Friday, I think. And then that Monday, the Jesus Squad, you know who you are, we were in my brother's room, and then his AC wasn't working. Like, it was on, but it wasn't cooling. And so that broke, and so he had to sleep with the windows open. The thing is, it's currently in Puerto Rico. Sorry that I'm finding myself. In Puerto Rico, it's currently like pretty breezy. Like at night, it's a-okay. And he didn't complain once that it was hot or anything. He did not. He had a fan. Mom put 2 fans. Everything was chill. Everything was good for him. He didn't complain once. 3 days later, Dad's like, oh, let me surprise my son with like a new AC. And then I'm over here like, I get bad sleep because of a bed, you know, like, and he doesn't have work, he doesn't have school or anything, so if he has to sleep in, he can sleep in. I can't afford that, you know. So I was sister sad about that, like, not sister sad, I was sister angry about it, because like, where are you gonna get him an AC when I need a bed and the bed is cheaper? Like, what? That doesn't really make sense now, does it? And so then I complained about it to my brother and his friend Carlos. Hey, and then I think that I complained like on a Friday, the Friday that the AC got here, and then I think like maybe it was the Sunday, like yesterday, no, the previous Sunday that we went to my grandpa's house, he got me the box spring. So like, from when I started complaining to this, it's been 9 months. 9 months, you know? Like, huh? And it's just, you know, a little bit upsetting that you buy an AC, and I get it, comfort and everything, but if you're not complaining, like, and I've been complaining for like 9 months, I think you would go with the cheaper alternative here, you know? But whatever, I'm not my parents, I don't get to decide where the money is spent, you know? And so I'm just gonna, once I release this, I'll drop it, you know, it'll be over. So yeah, you saw the video of my bed putting together. We put it, I cried, now I have this beautiful bed, and I love her so much. Now my back hurts, but like, it's residual pain, so I'm pretty sure if I get enough good sleep on the bed, it'll go away. Because I've been waking up normally, and this is something that I don't think I've told anybody, but I felt so good. Usually when Dad, when he's the one who wakes me up, he wakes me up at 6:30 on the dot, like on the dot. And before, when he woke me up, I'm like, yeah. And then I just tried to sleep some more until I could, like 7:15. Like, that's the latest I could like sleep until, and that's when I got dressed and then I left for school. I have to sit up straight again. That's to the last second I could. But then the first night that I slept with this, it was from a Sunday to a Monday. I usually can't get up on Mondays. When he woke me up, I was able to like get up and go brush my teeth, use the bathroom, get breakfast. That was like a very big personal victory for me to be able to get up and go. Like, my hand's on my chest, by the way, and it felt great being able to like up and go and like let me start my day. And on the weekends, it's like, it's so nice being able to just boop, get up. And so that's it for my bed story time. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're one of my friends, I hope you enjoyed. You're happy that I've stopped complaining now. And so yeah, thank you guys so very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a video. Tell me in the comments down below, what did you think of this extra upload, because I'm making up for not posting on Wednesday last week, and there's gonna be a Monday video today, which is this one, and so there's gonna be a Monday video next Monday, and so yeah, to make up for lost time. Remember that I love you all so much, and I will see you guys on Wednesday with a Valentine's Day themed video that I don't know what I'm gonna do. Bye!